is going on, guys? In today's video we're testing the 0 to 60 time on the Dragy. In one of the last videos you saw me set it up and show you guys how to set it up and use it all. So let's not waste any more time and get straight into the car and see what this thing can do on the 0 to 60. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay. Time to test the 0 to 60. We have the Dragy here. We'll put it in by the wireless charger and let's see what it can do.
Close your eyes.
We're in the car now. We have Dragy app open, connected. I put the Dragy in there. So I'm just gonna make sure all the settings are right. Once you press connect on the Dragy, it's gonna flash blue like this, which means it's connected, and it'll, once you go, it automatically detects and just records the 0 to 60 or whatever you're doing. Make sure 0 to 60 is showing. We'll do like 3 pulls and see what the results are from all 3. I'm gonna go to a spot now in Mexico and do 3 launch controls, and then let's see what the outcome is. First pull about to go down. I'm gonna do the pull and pull over so I can see if it recorded it. Make sure it's actually working, and then we'll do the other 2. It didn't actually say activating launch, so I'm not sure if it worked or not. I think I might have to be in manual mode, so that's what I'm gonna try next. Preparing. Oof, that was violent. Let's pull over and see what it did. So what I got, it looks like 2 recordings. So it looks like the first run, 0 to 60, was 3.8 because we didn't have launch control activated. And then the other one, the second pull we did with launch control, but it was kind of weird. Came out to 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. So I think I'll try 1 or 2 more times. I really want to break the 3-second mark and see if I can do that. Let's put it in manual mode, see what it does. Tesla Plaid almost. Let's see if we did any better this launch. Open the app. It looks like 0 to 60 in 3.56. I don't know, I can't get it to break 3.5. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I'll check back with you guys in a second. Okay, I just cracked 3.49 seconds 0 to 60 with some wheel spin, so definitely these Pirellis might not be the best for this. Once I get some aftermarket wheels, it should be a lot better. I'll keep trying over time and see if I can get anything under 3 seconds. We weren't able to crack 2.8 seconds today, but I'm sure next time when we have some better conditions, better driver experience, then we'll crack that 3 seconds. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed. Like the video, and then we'll see you in the next video next week. Peace.